Now, I am starting with the digestive model, gastroesophageal sphincter. So see here, this is the gastroesophageal sphincter as the esophagus is penetrating the diaphragm and it is going here like piercing the diaphragm and it will attach to the stomach. So this is gastroesophageal, means esophagus, the stomach, and here is the gastroesophageal sphincter, part of it is here. Stomach rugae. So stomach rugae are, we open the stomach, these foldings inside. These are the stomach rugae, and what they do, they increase the surface area for the stomach actually. So when the stomach is full, they will disappear, so stomach can stretch. Pyloric sphincter. So this funnel shaped part, if we look at it, this funnel shaped part is the pyloric region, and the pyloric sphincter is this one. So the food from the stomach goes into the duodenum through the pyloric sphincter. Small intestine. Small intestine is, here is the small intestine, this all is the small intestine. In the small intestine, duodenum. So duodenum is attached here because this part here is the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine which connects to the stomach. That is the duodenum. And the second part is the jejunum. So here, the second part is jejunum. The third part is ileum. So here is the ileum, and ileum will connect to the cecum. This is the cecum. So now ileocecal sphincter. This sphincter here is the ileocecal sphincter. So duodenum, the first part, jejunum, the second part, and the ileum is the third part connected to the cecum, and here is the ileocecal sphincter. Now we will go through the liver. So the liver actually, here is the liver. The liver has the four lobes. This bigger lobe is the right lobe. This small lobe is the left lobe. Right lobe, left lobe. Now, here is the gallbladder. Next to the gallbladder is the quadrate lobe, and this is the caudate. Next to the inferior vena cava is the caudate, and this is the quadrate lobe. Then, in the stomach, smooth muscle, so this line here is showing the smooth muscle in the stomach. In the stomach, you need to know the cardiac region, the fundus region, the pyloric region. So the cardiac region is this one. Cardiac region is very small. It is next to the heart. So that's why it is called cardiac region. And then fundus, this rounded part here is the fundus region, this rounded part. Body, so this part here and this part here is the body. So where the curvature are, that part is the body. And the pyloric region. Pyloric region is funnel shape. So it starts from here, pyloric region. If we open it, here is the cardiac region, the rounded part is the fundus region, this curve is the body, and the pyloric region starts from here. Like see this part. This is the pyloric region. So that one we are done. Now the common bile duct in the liver, if you see, this duct here is the opening of the common bile duct. And here, this is the gallbladder. So this duct which is coming out from the gallbladder is the cystic duct. And then you see these two. These two are the right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct. Right and the left hepatic duct join together to form the common hepatic duct. Now see, the common hepatic join the cystic duct to form the common bile duct. So you need to know this one, the common bile duct. Now you have two ligaments in the liver, falciform ligament. So falciform ligament is this one, between the right lobe of the liver and the left lobe of the liver. This is the falciform ligament. And then you have round ligament. This is the round ligament. The round ligament or ligamentum teres is the same thing. This one is the, so how to remember? Round ligament is towards the side where we have the gallbladder. So we are done. Now the large intestine. In the large intestine, you need to know the haustra. So here is the large intestine. We have ascending colon, transverse colon, and the descending colon. And these pouches, you are seeing these pouches, they are the haustra. These pouches, these constricted region, these pouches are haustra. So now we are done with digestive system. And I will start the urinary model actually now. So I will need a urinary model. Okay. Can someone bring the urinary model and I will go through it. So thanks for recording. And
do you want me to make a separate video for the urinary?
Yeah, for urinary.